Kawei ke samla kala Shah pyniap hala jong Baieid mentah ke sengi haka Shnong Pahamsyiem Baieid district kabadai hadian bagi laidon ke jingidai kabalasan bena mentah bat ya kene la yato dau he pulit ke Baieid bat kipai ba kisaki ya kene ke jing Shah pyniap jong ke tei ke samla kabadai hadian balalap ya ke met jongka kabala Shah pyniap hau tei uruna obal petno hadian baladong bat ot ya urendang jongka ha ke tei ke jaka ha Pahamsyiem kani ke jingjia kalajia menta ke singi ha kapor khatwe baje ai mistep ha ka Shnong Pahamsyiem ha ka balakno ba ute urunar obadon ka jingedei bat kate ka samla ulanut ban pyniap yaka la ka badung da ka tari bat dot narendang haru ba kate ke samla kaladu sendon yala ka jingem klem pat dei por Habalayo punya keren bat uhe pulit ke riboy u giri persad ulei tho ba ki bor pulit ke layo jentip ha kapor khadai beji ai mistem bala pentip daki no lam Shnong halo ke tegi jingjia bat na kaliang ki pulit ru ke lahir madro Shah ke tegi ke jaka na ke benta ban penlong ye ke jing tokin Henry hadin bala poi ha ke tegi ke jaka lalap ba ke tegi ke samla ke lathia yap hamadan na ke jingdung yap utei ubreu bala keno ba udon ke jingedei ka ba lamenta kumbasan bena or kene ke jingjia da ke jingsim kia jong ki bor pulit bat ke jing trailang jong ki bor Shnong tang hadin ka tu kat ni por layo ban kem no ya utei uruna bat na kaliang ki pulit kila register case pasha ya uni uruna halo ke jing ke no don kiti ban pyniap ya kene ke samla ong utei uhe pulit jong kari boy Shushu lai thu ru ba ka jing tokit halo kani ke jingjia ka dang ya cha khamat bat ya menta ki bor pulit kim patla ban a ya ka dau tin rai ka ba utei uruna ulalit ban pyniap ya ka tei ke samla ka ba uladon ka jingedei la kumbasan benai ki bor pulit ka riboy ke la penti kena ru ba utei urina un ngat be kat kum ki kendon jong ka an na kalian jong ki bor pulit ru kin shim khia ya kani ka kam khnang ba kum kini ki kam thombor pasha ai ki kin thei khna kan om jia shu kuma kani ka samla kala do e ya la ka jing em ula ben ram
Around 11:45 a.m. today, Mawphor police station received information from the headman of Pahamsyiem, Mawphor, that one dead body of a female is lying around in the road. So as per information, our staff along with officers immediately rushed to the point, and then after preliminary inquiry, we learned that one girl of 19 years old age has been found murdered by a person who has been living or in relationship for almost 5 months with her. So after the inquiry, the Mawphor police also managed to apprehend him in the Mawphor police station itself, and a case is being registered in this connection, and further investigation is on. So in this regard, I would also like to suggest that the police department is taking all necessary actions to ensure that crime against women and children are reduced, and also we would directly like to say that we are collaborating with the local village authorities also in this connection. Thank you.